What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So today we're gonna work on the Beamer a little bit. There's just one thing on the front of that car that needs to be changed with as much haste as possible. So let's get the car swapped around and take care of that. Today should be a fairly straightforward, simple kind of process. I didn't want to say that because I didn't want to jinx it, but I just did, so there you go. Alright, what's the first thing you notice when the car is pulling in the garage? Yeah, you guessed it, the chrome grille. Alright, let's unbox the parts and get to work. Wow, okay, so the packaging on that was 10 out of 10. That was not gonna get damaged in shipping whatsoever. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx head bolts on there. They are T27. And I'm going to take those off and try to like pry this forward a little bit so I can get my hand in there to press on the clips. And then they should pop right out. I'm going to try to do it this way as opposed to removing the whole front bumper. I should be able to do it, but we'll go from there and see what we can do. Alright, got those off, so I can't show you, but I'm gonna pull this back a little bit and try to get my hand in there and push these clips to pop this piece out. If I can get the first one out, it should be easy to get the other one out. If I can get my arm back in there, I think, and press the rest of the clips. So getting the first one out is probably gonna be a little tough, but we'll get it figured out. Alright, so I should be able to pry this just enough to get the top ones. I don't really know. It's gonna be kind of hard for you to see this, but it's hard for me to see it as it is, so. Okay, so upon further inspection, I can't see it on this side to get to this clip right here. There's like an air duct or something right here that's blocking it, but over here I can see it and get the clip. So we're going to take this one off first, because it might be easier, and then we'll go to this one here. Alright, so I was wrong. There are not 2 clips. There are 3 on top, 3 on the bottom, and 1 on each side. So getting to these on top was really easy with the screwdriver. And then once you get that part kind of out, you can push the one on the side and that gets this side out. And then this one right here is actually really easy. You can just stick your finger in there from where it is now and push it and get it out. And then the bottom ones are a little tough because it's kind of tight, but kind of got to pry it a little bit. And but once you get all 3 of those on the bottom, it pops right out. So super quick. Took me about 4 minutes to get it all the way out, being careful and cautious. So yeah, let's get this one off now and put the black ones in. Before I go any farther though, I'm gonna take a rag and wipe this out because I mean it's out, so why not? So get rid of some of that dirt and grime there and take care of that while we're here.
Today should be a fairly straightforward and simple kind of process. I didn't want to say that
All right, so got that off now. I gotta admit though, that top one right here in the middle was a pain in the ass. I just could not get it pushed down enough to come out of that little clip part right there. But all the rest of them were pretty easy, and it came right out. So got it all wiped out already, and so now we can throw in the black ones and make the front of this car look a little more aggressive. Alright, went ahead and threw the other one on, and man, that looks 1,000 times better. I do gotta be honest with you though, these things, I can't think of the site I got them off of now, but there are bound to be some that fit a little better. I had to push really hard and had to like finagle those clips to where they would click in place. I still don't think I got this one right here in all the way, but I'm gonna keep trying with it, but all the rest of them have clicked. It's just that one there is not wanting to go in. It's just, I don't know what it is, but I just cannot push it in there far enough to get it to click in place. So there are bound to be some that fit a little better, but all in all, it's supposed to be a pretty simple process. You just gotta pop those clips out, and then they should just push right in place. It's not that hard of a job, but that one there is giving me some headache. But yeah, it looks so much better.
Today should be a fairly straightforward and simple kind of process. I didn't want to say that because I didn't want to jinx it, but I just did, so there you go.
Alright, as I'm like admiring the front of the car here, that paint looks cool with the lighting. Anyway, I was thinking about like, I wanted to make a carbon fiber like license plate holder there. It'd be kind of sick. But yeah, let's back the car out and check it out in the sunlight. Ugh, just look at that. It's so much better. So yeah, man, like I said, 1,000 times better. That's almost like putting wheels on a car, because it changes the whole front of the car, how it looks. And I love it. So, super straightforward process. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll be glad to help as much as I can. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. In the next one, we should have some more stuff for the Beamer. The stuff for the Evo is showing up. So we got a full schedule. And I am super excited about all that stuff to come. And yeah, you guys know how it goes here. Don't forget to do all the other YouTube things while you're down there. The bell, the comments, all that good stuff. It does help out a bunch. Hate that it does, but it does. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.